Step into the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: diesel gray black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, Tradesman SXT package included, bright rear bumper radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display 5.0 touchscreen display, Sirius XM satellite radio, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, no satellite coverage with AKHI. For more info call 800-643-2112. Integrated voice command with Bluetooth rear view day-night mirror, overhead console, GPS antenna, input, temperature and compass gauge, rear floor mats, front fog lamps, bright grille wheels, 20-inch X8 aluminum chrome-clad full-size temporary use spare tires, P275/60R20 BSW as carpet floor covering, remote